Oh, fuck.
See how they're overlapped this way?
Yeah.
The wind's getting underneath there.
Yeah, yeah. So you're gonna put some straps?
Here's a strap over.
Yeah.
The bolts are just coming out.
Oh, fuck.
See? Look at it.
Guys, tama yung aking pinuntahan. Pero bukas pa pala ng 8 o'clock na umaga. Kunting galaw mo lang, kunting pihit mo lang, magre-react agad tong jeep. Pinagpraktisan ko muna kung paano ko i-atras. The sun is up. Pupunta ako sa shower room para siyempre mag-shower. Ayun. Sus, may mga tai pa oh. Wow, ano mga tarana eh. Wag gini ayo ni basag. Hindi man sa panginaway no. Pero wag gini ayo basta liter ay ang magdumala sa gas station. Grabe kahugaw. Pero wala mo kay option. Kailangan lang ko maligo kay gusto na ko maligo guys. Dry kayo. Oh, bahay basura. Oh my god. Saan naman yung tabuan eh? Dugyot makinig ang gasolinahan. Grabe. Basta sila yung magdumala. Ayaw mag-expect nga quality kayo ang ilang serbisyo sa mga kan. Hindi gila mo masahan. There a shower?
No, it's not clean. So
It's not clean?
no.
Why?
Because today is Sunday, so our cleaner is not working today.
So it's gross?
Okay?
It's gross?
If you want, you can check. First.
Can I check? Because I really need to... Where is that?
I'll give you a plate.
Yeah.
Go upstairs and it's up for number 4.
Okay. Diba? Ay, wag yun klaro mga tahanan. Let me check. Wag yun klaro. Yun ang humusga. Sus, pati dere oh. Sayang lang diba? Sinayang lang nila yung building. Nagkilahan nila tapos shower dito. Showers. Ito, kailangan ko talaga maligo guys. Tsagaan ko na lang ito. Number 4. Yeah, tsagaan lang maligo. Shower ako. Oo. Sinilas mo. Okay lang. Kayo nang musga, kayo nang mag-comment dyan. Ay, Diyos ko. Park na lang ako mag-blower ng aking buhok. Yak. Kung maganda lang sana ang pagka-manage nito. Ayos to eh. Malaki. So nandito yung mga driver. Samahan ko. Thank you. No, it's dirty. Why it's too much towels there in the sink is... You wanna go there and see it? Fuck. Why you guys don't clean it?
Because today no one is coming to clean it, so...
Is only you working today?
Yeah.
If you go up there? Yeah.
Sorry about that.
This is a good place. If this one is maintained properly,
Yeah.
it's really good one because look, the ambience is good. Your card lock is open 24 hours or off?
No, it's closed at 10.
10? Oh, we can't get a fuel because we're gonna leave at 12 o'clock. Midnight.
Yeah.
Alright. They're gonna close at 10, guys. Kalahati yung pinabayad sa akin. Pero gross talaga, grabe. Nakakadiri. Kasi palibhasa itong mga... Ang mga naliligo naman dito halos yung mga ay eh. Yung mga ay. Kaya sila lang din. Kita mo yun, no? Area na yan. So pupunta ako ng Walmart, mag-dry up lang ako ng aking buhok siguro. Or mamaya na siguro. Pupunta ako ng Walmart, bibili ako ng sparkling water. Ito yung mga kasamahan ko, guys. Ito yung sa akin, dito ako sa kabilang side. So mamaya, double check ko yung aking load. Oh, i-blower ko lang aking buhok dahil basa. Pupunta lang ako dito sa Walmart. Nandiyan lang Walmart na sa baba. Lakad na rin, exercise. Bili ng sparkling water. And parang yun lang yata kailangan kong bilhin. So ang aking sadya dito ay sparkling water. Napaka-dry ng Walmart. Parang napaka-dry. Wala masyadong tao dito. Ayan, no? Pero yung isa-isa nila, walang ibang flavor. 97 cents. Sparkling water. So ito na lang $1.28. Ay, dito sa taas ang isa. Lime. Then this one. And what's this? Tingnan nyo yung price dito. $5.47 itong piraso. Yung sparkling water ko na kinuha, this one is $6. Tapos compare mo dito sa $5 na chicheria. Sa ayos. Okay, kumuha din ako ng isang flash drive, card reader dahil sira sa akin pag-transfer ng video. $16 bibitar. Paktas ang kwanta ba kay hindi sakinan. Hindi pwedeng putulin dahil masyadong mabigat. So yung aking bibilin lang sana na sparkling water, dagdagan ng tinapay, malamig yung hangin. Pag ganito ba naglalakad ako, nitigil din ako sa 4-way stop. Ha? Kailangan ko rin ba tumigil? O diretso na ako? Baka kasi matikitan ako. Ito pag masyado ka lang nilalamig kahit ano na yung mga pinagsasabi mo, just to ease the pain. Sakit sa balikat, bit. Yes. Good morning mga choy, mga chay. Good morning internet, good morning viewers. Yung aking location ay nandito pa rin sa Merit. Today is 11:37. And yung aming run, I thought it was 7 to 7 AM, but it's the same kasi nandito pa kami sa British Columbia 12 to 5 in the morning. Pero I think so makakarating na kami ng border ng Alberta today. Ako yung magiging last guy ng 4 na driver na nandito ngayon. Gusto ko magpapahuli dahil para walang pressure masyado sa aking likod pag may nakasunod. Ayoko lang may nakasunod eh. Gusto ko yung laging huli para take time sa paglusong, take time sa pag-ahon, walang problema. Yung paglusong kasi lalo na gabi, gusto kong dahan-dahan lang, walang nakasunod. Pero yung 5 na kasama namin, nandun pa sa Hope, malayo pa dito, 125 kilometers, layo pa. Tayo ko lang itong aking mga kasamahan na mag-start ng kanilang 3 trip. Pero I think gising na yung iba. Isa, gising na.
on the right to Highway 970
okay.
South.
Ito yung bridge na mababa. Nasa unahan, no? So exit kami dito.
Arrive at coordinates on the right.
Exit. Then tawid dito sa highway.
Take the ramp ahead.
That's it.
Arriving at coordinates on the right.
Yun ang last na concern about dito sa load.
Continue on the current road.
Hindi na yata nag-brake check yung mga kasama ko. Hindi na nga. Tumuloy-tuloy sila. Nag-shortcut sila ng ng ginagawa. Kaya pinapauna ko sila eh. Ito mahabang losong to. Then there's another brake check bago papasok ng Kamloops. Paglosong ng Kamloops. Basta sakto lang yung gear mo doon sa speed. Synchronize yung speed at saka gear. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-apply ng brake na mag-brake pag palusong.
Left.
Bakit? 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 Bakit kaya? Oh, black tea. What was on Morning, Darryl.
Morning. The tin's coming loose on Jesse's.
Oh?
Busted, all the bands are busted. We're trying to get straps over top of it.
Okay.
What's happening? I don't know, can you chuck this over?
Huh?
Can you throw this over?
Yeah.
I can't throw
On
it
the top?
over. Yeah, throw it right over the center. I can't get it to go over.
Okay.
Weak.
Yeah. This 40?
Yeah, it should be a 40 and then I'll use chain on the other end.
Yeah, like this.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, who's getting to the top?
yeah, they're up top trying to fix it. He said his straps wet and also the tin just started going.
Oh.
So we're thinking if we throw one strap over the center, we'll maybe stop the tin from coming.
How about put some straps on the middle?
Yeah. Well, I think we're bedding over the center, aren't we?
No.
It's either of
I ain't not gonna do two.
Ah, natanggal ang gilid, oh.
Yeah. I think we're better to do two, one over each side.
Okay.
We need to get my grill up.
Ah, okay.
Oh, I thought you needed this down.
I need your long arms.
Natanggal ang sa taas. So hindi niya alam kung paano
Marcos, you got a ladder?
Yeah, but it's damage on the middle.
Throw one over the middle. I'm going to start with one over the middle. And I'll see what happens after that. Oh no, lengthways. This way, Marcos. I'm going to go this way. No, right from here.
Okay.
I'm going to go right here.
So where are you gonna put this one?
I'm going to chain across, tie to a chain, or I'll tie back there.
Ah, natanggal yung ano niya. Natanggal yung strap niya dito. Yeah, you know. You removed the strap was.
It should be turned.
Oh fuck.
See how they're overlapped this way?
Yeah,
The wind's getting underneath there.
yeah. So you're gonna put some straps?
Here's a strap over.
Yeah.
The bolts are just coming out.
Oh fuck.
See? Look at it.
Ano nakakit to? Do you have 40?
You take another one off or
No, I'm putting it
try to
on.
bolt it on? Are those 40s, Daryl?
You got 40?
Pretty sure it's a 40, yeah.
You got 40?
I
I got 50s too.
Okay.
Got 40?
Yeah,
It's not long enough?
I got chained across the back. Then I'll do
You need a 3/8 GC?
no. No, Des did.
That's good. Yeah, I'll do it. How did you find out that it's already removed?
Oh, I seen it. They're blue.
Just here?
Yeah, just before the brake check.
Oh,
Well, just before.
Which?
I noticed it just before that last overpass. Because they were sticking up and they hit.
oh, okay. Did you exit on 336?
No.
You just go straight?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
5.14.
Huh?
5.14 meters. it was.
5.1?
Yeah.
Oh,
Jesse went first though. Pretty sure that's how the tin come off.
You got a bungee?
oh yeah. The same lang din. Kasi kung tama ba? Dapat ito ay doon para yung bukasan ng hangin. Pag tinamaan kasi ng hangin yung harap, bubukas talaga siya, tatanggal yung tornilyo. Dapat ito naka-twist.
Mine? Look. Those are mine. Okay.
Alright, $20 in the back. 13 on the drive, 13 on the seat, 25 in here.
Okay guys, 43 minutes. Okay, go ahead. Ako yung last. Tigil muna ako sa Petropas. Doon na lang magre-refuel sa Hinton. But I'll just make it sure na ayokong pabutin doon. Kahit sabihin natin 4 hours pa yun, mabigat yung load eh.
Gonna roll across the scale now. And if I were you, I would do yours too. Just in case those vinyl snaps and you're kind of.
Woy! Inaantok ako! Grabe! Woo! 5:30 na umaga. Malapit na ako sa Blue River, British Columbia, and then Belmont. 2 hours hanggang sa border ng Alberta at British Columbia. Hindi ko na nabutan yung aking mga kasama. I don't know. Grabing hataw nila. It's okay. Oh my goodness. I need a coffee break.
Turn left at the stop sign, then take the first right.
Ay! Magkahayay na lang niya siya, parada ito sa gilid eh. Kasi mahirap siyang ilagay sa ano eh, doon sa shoulder dahil medyo tagilid yung shoulder. Ilang araw din akong hindi nakatikim ng coffee ng Tim's. And this time hihigop ako. Dili makayo bugnaw, but bugnaw gamay. Check ko lang to, i-double check ko lang tong aking load para dadaan ako ng timbangan maya maya pag bukas yun. Uy, hindi ko makita yung ano eh. kanilang manufacture dito. Mga nutrients, oil, gas. Ito yung pinakamalaking supplier ng oil and gas sa buong Canada, ang Alberta, province of Alberta. Kaya napaka-progresibo ng kanilang probinsya. Ito yata eh. Ito nga.
Turn left at the traffic light. At the light, turn left onto 125th Street, Range Road, 221.
Hala, sana nga tama ay. Parang yun yata mga kasamahan ko ah. Not sure. Hala. Sana all.
In 500 meters, our destination will be on the right. Coordinates on the left.
Thank you. Thank you. Sana nga tama ako. Nasaan ba sila? Hello. I don't know if this one is the right place. DOW Chemicals. Is all my friends coming here?
Dow, this is Dow.
Okay, Dow. Kevin. There's no driver here. John. How many trucks coming in just today? 3 of them? No, I mean the same trucks that I have right now.
Oh, I haven't seen any yet.
Oh, how come? Guys, tama yung aking pinuntahan. Pero bukas pa pala ng 8 o'clock na umaga. So babalik ako, mag-u-turn ako dyan. Then maghahanap ako ng parking.
Turn right onto 88th Avenue.
Oh guys, sabi nila mahirap i-atras tong jeep, itong single na jeep. Mahirap nga, takes time kasi masyadong malikot tong, sobrang liit niya kasi eh. Kunting galaw mo lang, kunting pihit mo lang, magre-react agad tong jeep. Pero so far so good, na-atras naman ng mabuti. Yeah. Takes time sa akin. Dito sana ako atras sa kabila, but nasikip. Ikot ulit ako. Hanap ako ng ano, pinagpraktisan ko muna kung paano ko i-atras ng ano, ng, para makuha ko yung technique niya ba, kung saan pumapaling tong jeep na ito. Kasi dalawang fifth wheel yan eh, di ba? Sobrang dikit ng fifth wheel. Iba itong Super B. Itong Super B, alam ko i-atras to, Super B, dahil mahaba, tapos parang di 20. So ang atras nito kasi na Super B, pag kaliwa yung steering mo, kakaliwa tong pop. Pag kakanan yung steering mo, kakanan tong pop. Ito, I think the same pattern, pero masyado lang siyang malikot. Dahil from there, all the way here, masyadong malikot. Kunting pihit mo lang, kailangan hindi mo siya isasagad. Dahil pag sinagad mo, mawawala na agad tong jeep kung saan sana siya pumupunta. Kaya kunting pihit lang, din balik. Kunting pihit lang, din balik. But so far, nakuha naman siya. But it takes time. Kailangan i-analyze mo lang mabuti. Paano kaya to? Paano kaya, saan pumipihit to? Yeah, at least nakuha. Naka-atras ng may jeep. Woo! So, kanina, hindi pa pala yung unloading kanina. Bukas pa pala ng alas 8 ng umaga. Kaya babalik ako doon sa customer bukas ng umaga. Wala dito yung aking makasama. I don't know kung saan sila natulog. But mas malapit na ako dito, mga 4 kilometers, 5 kilometers. Okay. Not bad, no? Not bad. First time gumamit ng jeep na umatras. First time. Pero kasi kaya na iniisip ko, paano ko kaya i-atras to kung wala akong maparkingan? Paano kaya itong atras nito? Kasi nga first time kong gumamit ito na may jeep. First time. Ayoko magsinungaling, but it's my first time. Kailangan yung liko mo talagang lobo yung liko mo. Kailangan talagang wide yung liko mo. Dahil pag hindi wide ang liko mo, may iwan yung trailer. Anyway, lessons learned. Saan ba tayo nagsisimula? Laging sa grade 1. Okay? So anyway, dito ko natatapusin ang video. Medyo mahaba na to. Bukas matatapos na to aking unloading. Matatanggal na tong aming load. Then I'll see you guys tomorrow. Keep safe. And this guys will keep on trucking. Bye bye.